Hello everyone, welcome to the Unified Solar Rooftop portal for Arunachal Pradesh. In this video, we will understand functionalities of the admin. Open any web browser and type solar.apeda.nic.in in the address bar to open the website. On the web page, go to Apply Online Login option. At first, the admin will log in with the user ID and password, followed by entering the CAPTCHA code. After logging in, the admin home page appears. Let us explore the page. On the left side of the page is the main menu. It has three options: System Settings, Reports, and PDI module. Let us explore all the menus in detail. The first main menu is System Settings. Under the System Settings drop-down, there are 8 sub-menus: File, Role, Menu, MNRE Sanction, MNRE Registered Vendor, New Registered Vendor, District, Office. The first option is File. It shows the application module list. You can edit or delete the field under each particular using the action buttons. Also, it is possible to add new application module list by selecting plus icon on the top right corner. Components under this section are crucial to the functioning of the portal. The second option is Role. It shows the name and description of role of each stakeholder. Here, admin can define activities of each stakeholder. New role can be added or existing role can be edited using the action button. To add new role and descriptions, click on plus icon on the top right corner. Select the user type, provide role name and role description. Finally, select landing file. Click on appropriate check boxes related with functionalities of particular role of each of the file name. Finally, click on Save button. Also, admin can edit description of role already saved in the portal. The third option is the menu. Under this option, you get a parent menu drop-down. By selecting different options from the parent menu drop-down, you can view the respective menu file list. It is possible to add new menu and define the menu. Also, the existing menu can be edited or deleted from the page. Please note that first three sub-menu under main menu system settings are already set by the developers previously, and these menus do not require modification for day-to-day activities. Changes in this three menu will change the basic structure of portal. The fourth menu is MNRE sanction. Here you can find the MNRE sanction list. Select Discom name from the drop-down list and select On Update from SPIN to get the latest updated sanction list from MNRE. Now list of MNRE sanctions will be available. You can edit any of the entries using the action button. Admin can set the date to seek applications under the sanction number and activate the sanction number as per the requirement. The following two sub-menus are MNRE Registered Vendor and New Registered Vendor. Under New Registered Vendor, you will get the list of vendors who registered on the portal and are yet to be approved. On clicking on the New Registered Vendor option, the new vendor registered list MNRE Not Approved appears. By clicking on the plus symbol, you can open the list of vendors yet to be approved. On clicking on the action button, the non-empaneled vendor details appears. Here you can check the vendor's detail and click on the Submit to MNRE button to submit the vendor's detail to MNRE. If the vendor details are already present in MNRE SPIN portal, then check if the vendor is present in the menu MNRE Registered Vendor. Once the details are submitted to MNRE, a unique code will be generated for the vendors in the MNRE Registered Vendors submenu under the System Settings main menu. There are two different lists of vendors. Number 1. MNRE registered DISCOM non-empaneled vendors. Number 2. MNRE registered DISCOM empaneled vendors. You can click on the refresh button at the top right corner to automatically fetch the details from the MNRE SPIN portal. The first list contains MNRE registered DISCOM non-empaneled vendors. Here we can see that it is registered since MNRE agency ID is present but are not active yet. Vendors has to be activated by DISCOM to participate even in non-subsidy program in Arunachal Pradesh actively. To do that, click on the Action button. Installer agency detail appears. Here you can click on the Is Active checkbox and click on the Create Login Credential button. Once you click on the Create Login Credential button, the login credentials will be sent to the provided email ID. The status under Is Active column changes to Active. Once the vendor is marked active, the non-CFA consumers can now find it in the list of vendors during the solar rooftop installation application. To participate in subsidized program, the MNRE registered vendor must be empaneled by DISCOM. To empanel vendors, access the list of MNRE registered DISCOM non-empaneled vendors. Now, if you want the vendors to be DISCOM empaneled, click on the Action button again. On the Installer Agency Details page, click on the DISCOM empaneled checkbox. Provide the agency bank details and click on Save. When the vendor is DISCOM empaneled, the CFA consumers can find it in the list of vendors during the solar rooftop installation application. Now, the name of the vendor will be visible under MNRE registered DISCOM empaneled vendor list. Admin can edit details of MNRE registered DISCOM empaneled vendor details by clicking on Edit option under the Action column. Also, admin themselves can add details of vendors and empanel further by clicking on plus icon on the right corner. Provide details of vendor, activate and empanel and click on the Save tab. The seventh sub-menu under System Setting menu is District. It shows the list of districts in Arunachal Pradesh. And the last sub-menu under System Setting is the Office. It shows the list of offices under DOP and APEDA. You can add new office details by clicking on the plus symbol in the top right corner. Here you can enter the required details and click on the Save button to add new office details. Admin also can edit or delete the office details using the action buttons. Let us now discuss the additional functionalities of the admin. The first one is reports. There is 5 sub-menu under the reports menu. The first sub-menu under the reports menu is all application received. Here you will get the list of applications received along with their current status. On clicking icon under View History column portal, will direct you to a page where admin can view history of individual applications. The second submenu, that is the DISCOM summary report, shows the DISCOM-wise grid connected solar rooftop application received. Here, the admin can select the zone, circle, division, and subdivision to filter the report as per the requirement. Start date and end date can also be selected to narrow down the search further. The report can also be downloaded by clicking on the Export button. The third submenu under Report is the Subsidy Summary Report. This report shows the subsidy applications received within a specific date range. This report can also be downloaded by clicking on the Export button. The next submenu is the Subsidy Claim Report. You can select the sanction number and developer name from the drop-down and view the subsidy claimed by the agency within the selected date range. The last option under the report menu is the EOI Summary Report. Here you can view the list of applicants who have submitted the expression of interest EOI and the total proposed capacity. This report can also be downloaded by clicking on the Export button. The last option under the main menu is the PDI module. There is only one submenu under this menu, that is Manufacturer Plant Details. Clicking on the Manufacturer Plant Detail option shows the manufacturer list. You can add new manufacturer plant details by clicking on the plus symbol in the top right corner. On clicking on the plus symbol, the manufacturer detail page appears. Here you need to enter the manufacturer's name. Again, clicking on the plus button on the top right corner of this page will produce a pop-up where you need to enter the plant address, contact person name and contact number. After entering all the required details, click on the Save button. Admin can add more details of plant from the same manufacturer. It is also possible to edit or delete details of plant under particular manufacturer details by icon under Action column. Similarly, admin can edit or delete the details of existing manufacturer details by clicking on Edit or Delete button under the Action column in the manufacturer's plant detail page. You can also click on the address bar to check the address of the plants. With this, we come to the end of this video on the admin process. Thank you.